Hey everyone, it's Lisa. How are you? Happy Saturday. Oh, I went to go put my elbow down. I missed the counter. Hey, how's everybody? I've been off for a week. I feel like I haven't seen everybody. How's everybody doing? Let me know what city, what state, what the weather's like. It feels like it's 9,000 degrees out here. I'm in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and it is exceedingly warm. How about you guys? Where are you checking in from? Hey Rhonda, how you doing? Happy Saturday. It's so nice to see you guys. I've been off for a week. My daughter got married last Saturday, so this is technically the last day of my vacation, but I wanted to tell you what's going on over at Temptations.com. Hi Barbara, how you doing? Hey Barbara and Rhonda, what's it like where you are? Sam, Winter Whimsy, you are right. I'm going to show you everything in just a second because here's the deal. We have 4 new must-haves today over on Temptations.com. Hey, Sam, it's actually Lisa. I know Tara and I look very much alike, and that's what happens all the time. Hey, Kathleen, how you doing from Washington? Actually, funny story, you guys. So last weekend when my daughter got married, Tara is very close to my daughter, and she read at the wedding. And after she read, a few people who were guests at her wedding came up to me and said, "Your sister did a great job reading." It made me laugh. I thought that was funny. Matthew Angelo, I know, the placemats. I'm dead too. It's too much. Hi, Lamar. How you doing? Well, Sam, if you need new stuff, then you need to head on over to Temptations.com. Doris from Northern Virginia. Sam, please, it's not your bad. Everybody, I think people think we're twins, so it's easy to happen. Hi, Gail. Hi, Debbie. Hey, Shane. Great to be back. All right, you guys, here's what's going on. And by the way, let us know what the temperature is where you are because it's so hot. It's been so hot everywhere, hasn't it? I know. Jen, thank you. What an amazing week. I feel like I'm just coming up for air. It's been a week ago. Thank you, Sam. So much fun. Seriously, it was an amazing day. Karen, thanks for jumping in. All right, who wants to talk must-haves? Enough about the wedding. Let's talk about what must-haves, right? Oh, Jennifer, tell me it's cooler in Michigan. And Margaret, I know you're not going to tell me it's cooler in Texas. It just can't be. Shenandoah Valley. Woo, we got everybody from all around. Ooh, Jenny from OC, New Jersey. My kids are down there. Jenny, are you going to Night in Venice tonight? One of my favorite things in Ocean City, New Jersey. It's so much fun. Isn't it fun, Jenny? Hi, Jane. How you doing? All right. No more. All right. Over at Temptations.com. Tina, thank you very much. We debuted a brand new Winter Whimsy character today. Are you ready? Elf Bertie. Meet Elf Bertie. Can you not? This is the cutest thing ever. He is the cutest little addition to our Winter Whimsy gang where we have, Santa, and we have Gumdrop, and Mr. Bojingles, and we have Wimbley, and we have Penny, and now we have Elf Bertie. Oh my gosh, Stacy, no. Penny the Penguin is not getting phased out. Sometimes we don't have enough in the assortment to put all the characters on, so we have to rotate them a little bit. You know what I mean? Because now there's a lot of them. All right, let's talk about the must-have. So must-have number 1, choice of those washable placemats. We've never done them in round before, you guys. I love round because it looks great with a round plate. It also looks great just to kind of decorate and layer all around. Check this out. It's on Temptations.com and you don't have to choose. Hi Beth, how you doing? Head on over right now and check this out. So it's set of 6. Here's what it includes. Here's Elf Bertie. And by the way, when we talk washable, I want you guys to see this. These are great for grandkids and little kids because here's how you wash them. You put them under your sink and you rinse it off. So if you get ketchup or pasta sauce, it's no big deal. So you're going to get one of the brand new Elf Bertie. If you love Elf Bertie, will you please give me a whole bunch of hearts because I think he's adorable. And look at the little vintage light bulbs that are called those C9. And here's the cardinal that Tara does in honor of her father every year. Okay, so 1 in Elf Bertie, you get all 6. 1 Santa, I can't. So cute. I also love this. Instead of name cards now, you can say, hey, you're at the Santa placemat. It's kind of cute, right? Year after year. How about Wembley? There's number 3. Here's 4. Mr. Bojingles. I know, everyone's adorable. Adorable is great. And then look, Penny or Penguin. Look how cute that is. And then last but not least, Gumdrop. So you get all 6. They take up no space And here's it, like literally no space. And here's the thing, like if you want to just tuck them away like this every year and then just wrap a little ribbon around it, and here's your Christmas placemats, love. But here's the story on these. This is all we have for the year. So if you want these, get them now. You'll be holiday ready. That's what this whole weekend is about, being holiday ready, and the launch of Elf Bertie. Okay, then the other choice is our Buffetti. Matthew Angelo, where are you? I hope you're looking. You have 6. So there's our little adorable ghost marshmallow. Here's little Frankie, so cute. Here's little mummy, adorable. I know, can you not, Jen Bots? Do you not, oh, Sandy, could you put any more hearts in there? I don't think there's enough. I love that. Have you met our brand new Jack? Look at him. He's our newest Halloween character with Esmeralda, our cat, and then our witch. Come on. Is this not adorable? Tina, it's hot here in PA. It's so hot. Yeah, right. At least we can shop, right? I agree with that. What else is there to do? Let's shop. So you get all 6 of these with the brand new characters of Jack and there's Jack. And here's our little witch. How adorable. Okay, Matthew, Deb, I hear you. So, choice of, although there's no choice, you got to get both, right? That's how I rationalize. Because look, you'll use these in the fall. You'll use these in the winter. That's how you get both, right? If you can swing it, I know. Aren't they so cute? Adorable. Then, by the way, check this out. We have those 72-inch runners that match. Boop, boop. Look at this, you guys. I can't. It goes on and on and on. And I love these for like buffet tables down the center of your table. We also have this in Buffetti. I don't have it here, but like I just want to show you. Like, look how big this thing is, okay? And we do it so that it doesn't matter where you sit on the table. Sorry, I'm in my shorts today, you guys. It's casual. It's casual Saturday. Check this out. Isn't this absolutely adorable? And this, by the way, is also washable. I love these, like for spills. Like spills just happen, right? So look how cute. If you want to mix and match them, like look how cute. Put them together. Adorable. It's a set that you got to get, so don't miss out. So that is must-have number 2. So we have the round placemat set of 6. We've never done a set of 6 before, and we've never done round. Actually, Sandy, if you head on over to Temptations.com, all of the details are there. Hold on, I'm not done yet. That was 3. Let's see. Here is 4. Check this out. We have a new tea set. Look at this. This is what holds the tea set. This is the Winter Whimsy. It's that vintage light bulb. I'm going to step back so you can see it. How cute is this? I know, Mary Beth, that's what I love about it. The runners, they're 72 inches. Love. That's why they fit any size table. Okay, so here's the base. This is stoneware, you guys, right? So even you can use this as a platter when you're not using it as a tea set. Put it in the oven, the fridge, the freezer. Then look at this. We have the teapot. I'm going to actually put this down so I can show you all the detail. Like, look how cute this is. Wimbley on one side, Mr. Bojingles on the other. Look at the light bulb on the top. Look at the detail. Everything that I'm showing you is only available now. So when these are gone, they're gone. Teacups. These are the sweetest little things. Like, look, so I love. So here's one with the snowman. This has gumdrop on both sides with those vintage lights. There's the cardinal. Hold on. Penny the penguin. Adorable. And here we go. Look at Wimbley. So these all fit on here. Let me put these on here nicely and then lift this up for you, because if not, you know, hard to do life. Can you imagine? This is so sweet. I'm telling you, like, my grandmother loved tea, so did Tara's grandmother. Like, these moments, these are memories. Like, you sit down, you have hot cocoa, you have tea with your friends, with your grandchildren, with your family, with your children. This is just wonderful. And then, I gotta show you this. We have never, ever done this before. Hey, Stacy, how you doing? These are those, do you guys remember, did you have these growing up, those hot pads? We're calling them pot pads, but they can be hot pads, whatever it is that you want them to be. What they are is thermal protection for your tables, for your counters, anything like that. So you're getting a set of 4. This one has, look how cute it is. It has a gumdrop, it has a Bertie, Wimbley, and Snowman, Mr. Bojingles, all with the lights and the cardinal. It's that tightly woven fabric. Like my mom had these growing up. I love, love, love these. So there's one. They're all four the same. Two, you get four of them. And I love these because you can put them like in a little cluster, and then you can like put like a bigger, maybe like a casserole on it or not, or you can just use them as one. These are adorable. So adorable. No, Matthew, these are just available in Winter Whimsy. We don't have them in the Buffetti. So that's what we got going on with the 4 must-haves. We have the hot pads or the pot pads in the Winter Whimsy. We have the runners, the washable runners in Buffetti and in Winter Whimsy. We have the brand new debut of Elf Bertie and of our round placemats. That set of 6, these are washable and coordinate with this, with that runner. So try to pick up both if you can swing it. And then look how cute. There's our little witch. And then I don't know if you saw this must-have that was earlier this week, but I wanted to show it to you up close. So this is a wooden Lazy Susan. This is so stunning for your harvest table. So when you turn it around, Tara designed this so that this is a conversation piece, right? So that when you sit at your table, there's questions that go all around the Lazy Susan. And as a family or with your friends, you actually answer these questions. And here are some of the questions. One of my most favorite memories this year was, this year I loved, this year I learned, next year I will try, next year I'm excited for, this year I'm thankful for, and this year I'm challenged by. This is a wonderful housewarming gift. This is it'd be nice if I held it the right way. This is wonderful for Thanksgiving to have on your table or for all of your harvest gatherings. So definitely check that out. Head on over to Temptations.com. 4 new must-haves. This actually debuted this week as well, just in case you missed it. And by the way, look at the back of it, like the construction of this. This is that beautiful bamboo. It's just stunning, you guys. And then it's functional because it's a Lazy Susan. And by the way, you can put things on top of here, but it's so beautiful that you don't even need to. I could actually see putting that in a plate stand and like putting it back on your counter. Wouldn't that be beautiful? Anyway, just wanted to do a quick pop in. Here's what we going on this weekend. So tomorrow we actually have shows up at the Shopping Channel in Canada. We're doing them here from the States and Skyping in, but we're on at 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. and 11 p.m. So come join us there. Then in the Kitchen with David, we have 2 new items. Check that out because we have some dinnerware and we have a brand new bowl. And then we have a QVC 2-hour show with Rick Domeyer Monday at 4 p.m. And then we'll be with Sandra Bennett later in the evening at 10 p.m. So lots of great stuff, going on. Come check us out. I know, Noelle, how hot it is. Is it? Hi, Leslie. I miss seeing you, my friend. How you doing? So definitely come check us out over on Temptations.com. 4 new must-haves today. Check us out in the Kitchen with David tomorrow. And I hope you guys have a cool Saturday. Great to catch up with you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay? Take care, everyone. See ya. Bye-bye.